Hey guys, welcome back to Firewood on the Hill. My name is Matt. Today we have another hot day, guys, but we got to get through it. It's going to be hot all summer. So we just got to get up, get it done early, and try to stay in the shade as much as possible. Behind me here, guys, is a pile of logs. It's got some maple, birch, sycamore, and some oak in there. So all good species. We're going to get all this cut up today. I'll be using my 462 and my 400. I'll work with the 400 first. Guys, I've had these saws. Well, I've had my 462 probably 4 to 5 years now. And I've had my 400 for probably 3 years. And my 462 is just your standard 462. It's not a C. Well, my 400 is a C. And I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's kind of running weird when it gets really hot. So I try to use that saw first before it starts getting hot. One time I couldn't get it started at all. Like, I just wouldn't start. So it was able to start the next day, just not that day. And then it kind of idles weird because it's the C. It's got the computer. I feel like it's not tuning well. But if anybody else has those problems, let me know. I've heard the C had issues like that when I first got it. But I got such a good deal on the 400, man. I got that 400 for $500 off a marketplace, and it was barely used. I mean, the bar looked brand new. But anyways, that's besides the story. Let me show you what we're going to cut up, and we'll get to it. So here's the logs we'll be cutting up, guys. This would definitely get us a cord plus some. You can see behind me, guys, I changed it up a little bit. I had 3 stumps right here, and I had my splitter in between the 2 stumps, and that's why I kind of centered it. That was the reason why I set it up that way. Well, y'all, I have my stump grinder, and I love that thing. It's the Mac stump grinder on the back of my tractor. It does a great job, but we got everything moved down. This will actually help with shade as well. We have a lot of tree coverage there, so this will keep me in the shade as much as possible. I did this so I can store logs here, and then I can store my processor logs right here so that I can just pull and put it on there when I'm loading it. I've been bringing wood from up there all the way down, and it just takes so much time. This will also help me get a good reading on how fast this processor will work when I do that cord challenge. All right, guys, the first saw we're going with is the 400C. I have a 20-inch bar on it. this chain got a little dull there, so I'm going to switch to the 462. I'm going to roll all this stuff out of the way here. Guys, if you haven't seen the channel or haven't seen these Fiskar Pickaroons, man, they're the ticket. Saves your back a lot. Lifetime warranty. I've already turned in 2 and they keep returning them for me. We're gonna mark these. All right, let's go and get the 462 gassed up so it doesn't stop mid-solid. Don't like that. Guys, if you're looking for a tank for saws, this is a 2.5 gallon. It's the push to go. It's the only way to go, guys. There's no spillage. You can stop it on a dime and it's fast. Just like that. And I'll go and save y'all some time here. This Mystic bar oil, terrible. Don't ever use it. I bought it online. There was tons of good reviews. I bought like 6 or 7 of these for like $7 a piece, so it was a really good deal. But man, it's trash. It's so thin. Look how thin this is. It's like worse than motor oil. So thin. So it just runs out of the saws when I put them up, and then obviously it flies out of the processor. So don't buy the Mystic. Don't fall for it like I did. got it all cut up, guys. It's quite a bit of wood there. I'd say at least 2 cord. We'll see, we split it. Some of that sycamore was really big. The wood fridge side has stacked it pretty good there. Guess how much? Ooh, it's getting hot, guys. I literally have sweat dripping from my hat when I tilt it down. It's hot. Definitely a good reason to run 2 saws, guys, just to keep the heat off of them. They get hot regardless, but if you run the same saw all day, tank after tank, it definitely puts some wear on it. The 400 seated great today. I was able to start it every time. So yeah, guys, that's all for today. Y'all let me know how much y'all think I have here. If it's a cord, 2 cord, 3 cord, 2.5 cord, what do you think? I'm saying right around 2 cord. We'll be able to see after I do all the splitting. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.